Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on this video. I'm so glad you're here today. I've just been using this time in quarantine, social distancing period, whatever we want to call it. I've really been trying to use this to like work through some stuff and heal, and there have been things I've been just trying to film, and I felt like after all that I've been doing, I wanted to film something light. I just wanted to say hi. I wanted to do what I love to do from the start, and that's share my favorite products with you. And so I thought that's what I'd do today. I filmed this one time and I thought it was really boring, so we're giving this another shot. I'm in my One Direction t-shirt, so you know it's chill. I went and got Torchy's tacos today with my mom at the drive-thru. It was great. A Bible study an hour. I'm just out here chilling. But I'm going to be showing you, I've pulled a few things that I've been loving over the last couple weeks. Honestly, some of this were a little bit older favorites, and I guess I'm not using as much now, but it's been a minute, so I wanted to show you everything I've been loving. If you're new here, be sure to head on down below and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content. If you like this and you want to leave a thumbs up, that'd be awesome. And let me know in the comments what you've been loving recently, because I'm curious to hear. I've been getting so many good product recommendations from TikTok recently, and like things, I don't even know. If y'all want, I have been thinking about trying some things from TikTok and making that into a video. I think that could be super fun. But yeah, right now I'm going to be showing you all of my current favorites. First thing I'm going to show you, I'm pretty sure this has been featured in vlogs of mine. These are my blue light blocking glasses. They look so funky. They have a weird glare, I can tell. Honestly, half the time I walk around like this. But I got these glasses because ever since the whole world has gone to this time of social distancing, everything's online, and man, that can get ya with the headaches and everything. That sounded so weird. I don't know what it is, but between like taking Zoom classes all day and editing and the stuff, I have an internship right now where I'm editing, I just find that it really, if I'm not careful, I can definitely get headaches from being on the computer all day. And I sometimes like to turn my computer into that yellow mode, whatever the thing is. I can't speak today. But I personally have found this to be more effective. I definitely think it kind of helps with the eye strain that comes from staring at the glare of the blue light all day. The next thing I'm going to show is a Lush product. Who is surprised here? Not me. This is Sleepy by Lush. This is my favorite scent at the moment. I actually went ahead and a month or so ago I ordered a big order from Lush, and I got this Smell Sleepy in a body shower gel? In a shower gel. But this is just a body lotion. This is probably, I honestly like this more because I feel like the smell is more powerful. It definitely, it's strong. This smell though, Sleepy, is like lavender and goodness and everything I love. I can't open it. What's wrong? Oh, no, I got it. So it's just, I've used half of it. Oh, I love that. I actually got this for my mom as a gift, but she and I both talked about this. We never used this whole container fast enough, so we split it, and she has some in her tub and I have some in my tub of this. And so this is my favorite. What I like to do, I mean, it's called Sleepy, but what I like to do is before I'm going to sleep at night, I will put a little on my arms and my hands, and I feel like that scent kind of gets onto your pillowcase, and it's such a relaxing smell. It's one of my favorite things. I've given this to people as gifts. I would highly recommend this. This is literally one of the best smells ever. The next thing I'm going to be showing is something that a brand sent to me, and this is my planner by Paper Sunday. I really like this a lot. They sent this to me a little bit later in the year. I think they sent this to me sometime in February, so I wanted some time to actually try it out before I featured it. And so what's really cool about their planners is they're a Christian company, and the planners are personalized and they have your name in them. In the front it says, "This planner belongs to Jessica." But so what they do is they have verses on every single page, and so they have your name in it because their kind of slogan, their thing is God knows you by name, which is so true. But I love this. It says, "Jessica, there is now no condemnation for those who are in Christ Jesus." And so it's all addressed to you. Now I will say, y'all know I love my passion planner, but this has been perfect for all of our time in quarantine because I don't need to map out my day every hour nowadays. The days are long enough as it is. So I will just put a little checklist on here. I'll go down, I'll do my work, and that's how I've been keeping up with my days. The next thing I'm going to show, I'm pretty sure I haven't even shown on this channel yet. If I have, then oh well. But these are my UGG slippers. These were my big Christmas gift this year. I was getting so much use out of them before we all had to go home from college. I mainly wanted a good slipper to wear around the dorm because I had a pair of moccasins that they'd seen their better day. They were very well loved. I wanted a new pair of slippers. I wanted UGGs, and I wanted something that felt very me, very out there, very, I don't know, I wanted to be chic and fun, but crazy. And so this, I definitely think fits that, but no, I couldn't decide what color to get. I eventually went with the cheetah. I think they're so cute, and I still wear them around the house, but I definitely get more use at school. I like the hard bottom, and I like that they're easy to slip on, and so I will just slip them on whenever. I like to wear them a lot of times in the evening. It's also kind of fun. You should notice they have a little bit of a heel on them, and so if you're going up and down the stairs, you have to be careful, but I just think these are so cute, and so I'm honestly obsessed with them. The next thing I want to show, I've had for a couple months, but didn't start using until very recently. This is a stuffed animal, but in its stomach is one of those pouches that you can heat up. I think the brand, it was like Hot Huggies or something, but I think it's from like a TJ Maxx or a Marshalls. But this is what I got for Christmas. I actually picked some out and bought some for my friends, then my mom went ahead and got one for me. This is a sloth wearing a crown, if you couldn't tell. Is this not the cutest thing? This is ridiculous. I had wanted one of these and thought they were cool because freshman year my roommate actually got something similar from her boyfriend, and she said it was really nice for cramps. She would just set it on her stomach, and I found, OMG, she was so smart. It really is very soothing if you ever have cramps to just like heat it up, put it on your stomach, and you just heat up the little, I don't know, I feel like it's like a bag of rice. I don't know what's in the stomach, but you heat up the little thing and then you're good to go. The next thing I'm going to talk about is actually something I'm wearing. Y'all may have noticed in the last few videos I've been wearing like hoops and fun earrings. I definitely have been getting more into accessories, but I'm trying to go slow because I used to buy like honestly a million pieces of cheap jewelry, but now I'm trying to buy jewelry that I like and that I feel like I will get a lot of use out of. So these hoops are the basic ones from Amazon that I feel like every blogger has, that are kind of like the knockoffs for the Jennifer Fisher hoops. I want to say they were like $13, but I had a gift card, I had an Amazon gift card, and I figured right after I was finishing finals, I actually ordered myself these earrings like as a treat because I thought they'd be so fun to film in, take pictures in, and I've been wearing them and I just feel like a whole different kind of sassy in them. So if you're looking for some good gold hoops, I can definitely link them down below, but they came in a really nice little box, cute. I really like them a lot. They also come in silver and rose gold, and they come in a bigger size, but this to me is like the perfect size hoop, and so I'm so obsessed with these right now. If you didn't already know I was kind of basic, now you know. It's my hydro flask. I am such a big fan of this thing. I love this the most, I think, because it's hot pink and it's the perfect size. I'm a big water drinker. I know some people like try and like buy a cool water bottle so they'll actually drink water. I will drink so much water. It does keep your water cold. I think that I'm using the straw lid I got from Amazon. Honestly, the ice melts when your water is room temperature, you know, because it's kind of like cooling down the water. So my ice doesn't stay cold like all day. But you know what? I like it a lot. I like it with this handle. I also like the other lid too though, because I like being able to hold it like when I'm walking instead of just holding it with this way. You kind of have to hold it like this. But anyways, not important. I love this. Matches my aesthetic. Super annoying thing to say, but this is my vibe. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll just fill it up in the morning. I'll carry it around all day. I will use it while I'm working. I will use it. I'll be sitting on the couch at dinner time drinking out of this, so I use it all the time. My next favorite is not something like I could hold, but my next favorite recently has been Disney Plus. After months of me wanting to get Disney Plus, I caved. We did it. My mom and I have an account together now. I'm the only one that uses it. Surprise, surprise. But I'm loving it, y'all. I don't know if I would really want it outside of summertime because I think right now I definitely have an excess of time and I'm just like watching more TV than usual. I'm a big person for like watching TV over breaks and summer and Christmas, like watch TV then, but during the school year I really don't get much use out of it except on maybe weekends. But yeah, I have been watching like a lot of those old movies. Like I watched The Princess Diaries when my grandmother was here and that was super sweet because you know it's like granddaughter and grandmother. And I watched 10 Things I Hate About You. I've been consistently watching Phineas and Ferb. I can't even explain that one, but there's so many episodes of it. I'm like 10 episodes in. I watch one like every other day. It's really nice. But I love Disney Plus. And oh, if y'all haven't watched yet, if you haven't watched High School Musical, the series, definitely go watch it. My friends and I started watching it initially. I must admit, we kind of wanted to make fun of it. But it's actually really cute and we love all the cast, like we love them so much. I'm a big fan. I really like it and the new music is good and when I just love it. So yeah, Disney Plus, definitely if you're thinking about getting it for the summer, I would say just go for it, enjoy the nostalgia and maybe cancel it later. If you've been here since last fall, you will probably have seen this or even on my Instagram. This is my Hulsey lap desk. I have never gotten this much use out of anything. I actually use this every day. It's really well made. It's like this bamboo surface and so on the bottom it catches your computer. If you understand what I'm saying, like it doesn't fall into your lap. On the top you can put like pens, you can stand up a phone or an iPad. On the bottom you see the back. I just sit all day and edit because I never want my laptop like on my lap. I prefer to use this and so yeah, that's the tea. I use this all day and it is literally the nicest. I really like the brand. I really like their product, and so I'll have that link too if you're interested in it. But yeah, I think everyone needs one of these in their life, because now that every room of your house has kind of become a place to get work done, having a lap desk has made that so much smoother of a transition to like being home all the time. I'm a homebody anyways, but the lap desk, it's like peak productivity when you're just sitting there with your lap desk and your little glasses on. I've got my AirPods in, I'm just okay. I'm gonna stop now, I'm embarrassing myself. If I don't have this cowgirl hat in every single YouTube video I film, am I really doing things right here, you know? I just don't think I am. So guys, those are all my favorites from this video, from this time in my life. I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's kind of silly, but I just wanted to have this to share with you. Please let me know in the comments below what you've been loving, if there's anything I need to try, skincare, beauty, stuff, things you've been loving. I want to hear all of it. If you like this, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!